Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many new programmers face. Adding a folder to the Windows 11 user path environment variable. This might sound like a daunting task, but fear not, we got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily run code using the command prompt without breaking a sweat. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this problem. In the solution provided, we walk you through the entire process step by step. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to your control panel by searching for it in the lower middle section of your screen. From there, you'll click on System and Security, and then select System. Once you're in the System window, choose Advanced System Settings in the middle of the screen. After that, click on Environmental Variables, select Path, and hit Edit. Add your desired folder path, e.g., c:\users\sumapp, and click OK on all the open panels. Finally, restart command prompt, and voila, you're all set to run your utilities with ease. That's the solution in a nutshell. In summary, adding a folder to the Windows 11 user path environment variable doesn't have to be a headache. By following the simple steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and boost your efficiency as a new developer. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop us a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!